Hello guys, this is SHYSKY. We will talk about this speed adjustable micro brushless DC water pressure pump of SHYSKY series. Please here, it is SHYSKY DC50F-24150A model. A means adjustable, speed adjustable. Actually, it is equipped with this potentiometer knob, so where the users can flexibly adjust the power and flow of this pump when at work through rotating the potentiometer knob. From lower to higher, from higher to lower. Better adjust the pump itself, fitting the system's various scenarios. Okay, it's a good function. Regarding this pump body, let's take a look. It is completely waterproof. And this is inlet, this is outlet, both ports are half-inch threaded with external diameter about 2 centimeters. About the thread standard is BSP rather than MPT, yeah. And to this pump, it works at 24 watts DC power supply, with rated power consumption about 86.4 watts at 24 watts DC power supply. So the rated working current reached about 3.6 amps. About the pump, the maximum sturdy lift of this pump can reach about 50 meters. If we mark it in feet, it's about 49 feet. In the meantime, the maximum horizontal flow rate of this pump can also reach about 1,560 liters per hour. So it is about 412 US gallons per hour. So it is with quite good output water pressure value, where the water flow is not bad. It is the typical feature of this DC50F-24150A speed adjustable pump. Okay, let's take a look at other parts. Coming from the pump body, the tail side, this is the cable. This is the rectangle-shaped metal box. We call it the control box of the whole pump, yeah, because the main control and protect circuits are actually integrated and sealed with it. So it is the brain part and this is the body part. Together it is the whole pump, yeah. Coming from the control box part, we will see this cable and there are two branches. This is for power supply plugging, and this is the potentiometer knob. This DC connector is the female end DC 5.5 multiplied 2.1. As to the polarity, it is inside positive, outside negative. Plugging with our external DC 24 volts matching power supply, such as DC battery, AC/DC power adapter, etc. Okay, it is the introduction about these pumps, main appearance and the electrical parameters. And since this is the water pump, so let's do a simple water pumping test to look at its real performance. Yeah, we get ready a small bucket of water and we can place this pump body into water, making submersible installed. And by the way, this pump is equipped with the dry run protection mechanism. When the pump's inlet is blocked or when there exists no water inflow into the cavity of the pump, it will automatically trigger the protection mechanism. Yeah, and we will see it later. In the meantime, we prepare this DC power supply. Adjust it to 24.3 watts DC. And the left is the working current indicator, and the middle is the power consumption indicator. And we will plug it with our pump to offer power to our pump to see its work. Okay, let's plug it. And this is the pump. Right now, it is closely stick to the inner surface, no water inflow. So the dry run protection is mechanism. It triggers. In the meantime, let's inspect the electrical parameters at this moment. Okay. The working current is about 3.5 amps. The power consumption is about 87 watts. Yeah. And we can also feel the noise class of the pumps work. In the meantime, we can adjust the power through rotating the potentiometer knob. Yeah. We can greatly reduce the water pump's work to 0. So no water flow, right? And then we can adjust the back from lower to higher power level. As we can see, the pump recovers back to powerful work again. In the meantime, let's get this pump out of water to see its dry run protection. Abnormal scenario, dry run without water. This is prohibited in real use. But when it happens, our pump will trigger its automatic protection mechanism, reduce the frictions and also the heat generation. And when the water comes normally again back to normal running, seconds delay exists, and then pump will normally work once again. Okay, it's about this SHYSKY with just 4 heavy duty brushless DC water pressure pump DC50F-24150A model, A adjustable. Thank you.